Hey everybody, it's the new moon in Libra, September 25th at 5:54 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I decided to do a fig leaf and orange tea. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of fig leaf. Fig leaf's good for your overall well-being. It has a floral taste and it's naturally decaffeinated. You can dry your own fig leaf and store it in a cool, dark place and crumble it when it's dry. And I also dried my own orange peel, which was organic, and just cut that up into smaller pieces. It has a sweet and fragrant taste. We're going to add 32 ounces of simmered water and let that steep 10 to 15 minutes. And while we're waiting for that tea to steep, I decided to shuffle the Wild Unknown Animal Spirit deck. Libra is an air sign, and we actually received 2 air creatures for this lunar cycle. We received the moth, and at the bottom of the deck, the owl. The moth, when in balance, is enthusiastic and whimsical, and the owl, when in balance, is trusting, generous, and secure. Enjoy the tea with a good book. The description is in the box below. Subscribe if you haven't. Grazie, amore e luce. Ciao.